Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is kind of a mashup of a couple W201, W124, and just different cool little cars that, yeah, they're cool little Mercedes. Classic, Cosworth, baby. You've probably seen the thumbnail and you're like, wow! Yeah, check this out. This guy has some cool stuff. He takes care of it, and he has just some, honestly, some nice cars. And if you're interested in them, give me a call. We'll make this thing happen. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I've got here for you today is a really nice Cosworth 2.316. What year is this, Kirill? 86. And it's in great shape. The paint, it's not perfect, but it ain't really that bad. I'm sure it's been repainted at certain points, or the whole car at some point. Really straight, not a rusty car at all.
The original paint doesn't go like this.
On the top, probably for sure. I don't know about the bottom.
Well, the car sat outside a long time.
That could do it too. Because you don't see no paint lines, Kirill.
I couldn't find any in the gal that bought it.
It's got 121 on it.
The original owner.
It's got the BDO Rally gauge package and everything, which I didn't know about. I think it's a 2-owner.
Actually, technically, it's not even in my name.
So it's a 1-owner. It's a 1-owner. The guy got it to work on it. It's got the next service due and everything. It has got the original manuals. I was going to pop the hood real quick, show you under there. This won't be a really long review or anything. Little things like this, but not even these are broken. All the plastic's good on the doors. It's clean, girl. And I'm going to send this over to Ander in Estonia. Can you help me again?
Yep.
Get you a picture of the motor and such. I don't know what channel I'll load this up to, but make sure and subscribe and all that good stuff. Of course, the hood liner's gone. And this is from somebody who loves these kind of cars. He's got a sweet 86 right here, and others that we might clip something in on. But there's a 2.6 190E that he's also getting rid of, that I'll try and get a little bit of video on. So that's that with the Euro headlights. Pretty sweet looking. It is definitely a nice car. I'll give you a little bit of a underneath.
Good job on the road.
Yeah, better than the United States.
Okay, that's the deal. I'll take a picture or two and clip this on out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. oneownercarguy.com. As you can see, it's wrong bolts, and you can get nicer wheels, but they're there. And the seats are in great shape. Headliner's in great shape. And still got the spoiler. I honestly can't tell you that it's been repainted. I don't really... We were looking at it and we were thinking it was, but I don't really think so, man. I really don't. Right here. No rust down in here or nothing. It's in great shape. And this guy was so nice as to let me take a video of it. So that's what we did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are, oneownercarguy.com. Okay, so here we are out at the barn, and he's got the one that he won't sell under the first tarp, and the second tarp is the other one. And you can take a guess at what this one is, but I don't know if you'll guess. All you can see is super clean wheels. And this one here is for sale. And I'm going to clip this in with the Cosworth probably, and we'll clip the top off, and I'll make a video in a second. Okay, I'm going to clip this in with the Cosworth. This is a 1980 what?
91.
91. It's the 190E, and it's the 2.6 model. In great shape. The paint is just beautiful. All the spoilers and everything about it. You get little like stuff, nothings. There's just like even the tow hook cover and all that. Wheels, great shape. New Michelin's on it. I mean, this thing is sweet. Going down the sides, straight as can be.
It's got new Bilstein shocks.
And new Bilstein shocks. And he's got all the manuals and paperwork. There's even the warranty booklet. It's got the, look at this. You're not going to find very many of these cars where you can actually do this and it works. Belong to a what? It was a Mercedes salesman that owned it. Kirill, can you
Yeah.
help me again?
Yeah. Wait a second.
And I'll show you. I zoomed up. I'll zoom back out. Very clean under.
Got a little pollen in there.
Yeah, very, very clean. Just a little dust on it. And hood liner like all of them. I did not know until about a month and a half ago that they started selling this stuff. And for 50, 60 bucks, bam, done deal. Kirill, can you do that? I'm wonky with my camera. So I'll show the interior. We'll cover this thing back up. Back is just as good as the rest. We're just not taking the cover all the way off. Look at these seats. Pedal wear, pretty much non-existent. It's just not there. The wheel, nice. 146 on it. Showed you the books. You've seen the seats. Here's the back seat. And the chocolate interior, baby. I'm telling you, it's just gorgeous. And with the light brown roof, oh, nice. So, comment, all that stuff.
Everything works.
Everything works. AC?
AC, cruise control, all the windows.
God, it's clean. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are, get a hold of me. Get this thing gone. Bye. Okay, we were just all standing here with our teeth in our mouth, and I asked if we could take a video of this. It was not for sale. Maybe by the time you see your video in 5 years when he's sick, he ain't gonna get sick of it. Are you kidding me? This thing is gorgeous. Gorgeous. 300D, and it's an absolutely, look at the wheels. Just amazing. Nice car. Lifelong car. This thing outlived me in a heartbeat. And let me show you the interior. Interior is just beautiful. But he's got it locked up. Let me show you inside. The trunk I showed from back here. And that's that. Just a quick video. The other one, get a hold of me, we'll get you in touch. At the price he's asking, it probably won't be around long. And I wish I had room and I didn't have 105 cars, and I would buy it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.